electricity.
Current electricity.
But current electricity is a part of something, no? What is that? सबसे पहले हमने देखा
Electrical current.
Current.
Electric current.
Yes, electrical current. उसके अंदर दो कौन से टाइप्स थे?
Static electricity and current electricity.
Very good. Static electricity and current electricity. Okay. What is static electricity? Can you guess? Can you tell me something in your own language? Okay. Give me examples. Frictional force.
Something.
Electricity produced due to frictional force. Frictional force मतलब क्या? When two objects are rubbed with each other, there is an electricity that is formed, which is into the form of static electricity.
It can also be magnetic force.
It can
Something
also be a
like
magnetic force. Yes, yes, completely.
Attraction.
Electricity. Yes, electricity formed due to friction, which creates attraction. Okay, next. What are the examples?
Balloon, silk cloth,
Yes, very
Comb
good.
and hair.
Balloon, silk cloth,
Comb,
comb, and bits of
comb
paper.
and hair. Yes.
skin,
Sorry. Chair and your skin.
skin,
Okay.
skin.
Ruler and skin.
Okay. Ruler and paper. Bits of paper बोल सकते हैं. Yes. Tell me more.
Rod,
Yes. We had seen the ebonite rod. And what was the other rod that we saw yesterday? That was the glass rod, है ना? Ebonite rod and silk and glass rod and fur. Fur होता है ना हमारा? Usually it is similar to the skin of pets. Dogs या फिर cats के skin की तरह होता है fur. ठीक है. Do you have any other examples of static electricity? Okay, ठीक है. Let us start with current electricity. What are the topics or what are the concepts that we saw yesterday in current electricity?
Electric current, electric potential, and resistance.
resistance.
Okay,
Law
first
of
tell me what is the definition of electric current? Yes.
When battery comes into a power, electrons start getting into current.
Very good. That is, this is actually the meaning of electric current, but I want a definition.
Yes.
मतलब scientific terms में, can you say?
Flow
Yesterday
of
you had said it, no, already? Yeah, flow of electrons. Electric current is nothing but flow of electrons. Yes. Next, what was the second concept that we saw?
Electric potential.
Electric potential.
from wire.
Electric potential.
Sorry, somebody was saying the definition of electric current.
Yes, ma'am. Movements of electrons from wire. Second
Yes.
definition.
Movement of electrons also. Okay. What is the definition of electric potential?
High potential to low potential.
Yeah, you can say flow of current.
From high potential to low
Yes,
potential.
exactly. Flow of current due to high potential and low potential. Yes. ठीक है. What was the third terminology that we saw yesterday?
Resistance.
Resistance. Very good. What is mean by resistance?
To stop the flow of electrons.
To control
The flow.
flow.
To control the flow of current. If we are seeing electricity, it is current. Okay. First, let us take the examples of all of these. First, that is electric current. हमने electric current के लिए कौन सा example लिया था?
Copper wire and battery.
Yes, very good. Copper wire.
Tank.
Copper को symbol लिखते हैं Cu. We write Cu for copper because the Latin name of copper is cuprum. Cuprum. That is why we call it as Cu. Copper wire and
Battery.
battery. Yes. Second example that we saw about electric current was?
Teachers and classroom.
Very good.
Teachers and
Teacher and students.
Students.
The random movement of students when the teacher is absent, and when the teacher comes
Yes.
into power, the students get into their positions, respective positions. Okay? Next.
Yes.
What did we see about electric potential?
Sun and earth.
Very good. Electric potential का हमने example देखा था.
water tank and building.
Yes, sun and earth is the first one.
Rain.
Then we saw the tanks, tank 1 and tank 2.
2. Rain.
We saw rain, yes. Fourth. We saw about the lightning.
Yes.
Did you ask your parents? आपने आपके friends, siblings
Yes.
से पूछा?
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
they know the
पूछा.
reason?
No, ma'am.
No, na? Did you
No,
explain to them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
What did they say then? कुछ बोला इन्होंने?
No.
नहीं बोला. Okay, but now they know what is the reason behind how the lightning occurs. Very good. ठीक है. Tell me the next example of electric potential.
Teachers and students.
Yes, teachers and students. When the teacher has a high potential of knowledge, ठीक है, that can
It
easily
flows
flow
to
to the students. Teachers to students. Yes. Next.
Ma'am.
And water coming from dam.
Dam. Yes. Yes, somebody was saying something.
Is a charger and mobile an example?
Yes, it can be an example because charger has a lot of no, not the charger exactly, but the plug. जो plug होता है ना, उसमें से अंदर voltage आता है. So that is the source. And the phone, which is at a low voltage, the voltage passes from the source to the phone. Yes, excellent example. Source, that is the switch to the phone. That is why आप जब नया फोन खरीदते हो ना, तो फोन का जो डिब्बा होता है उसके बाहर लिखा होता है कि हाउ मच वोल्ट्स, मतलब 5 वोल्ट होता है, 6 वोल्ट या फिर 9 वोल्ट्स, हाउ मच वोल्ट्स ऑफ द पोटेंशियल कैन द फोन सस्टेन. सस्टेन मतलब कितना कैपेबल है ये फोन वोल्टेज लेने का. अगर आप इवन इफ यू गो टू परचेस एलईडीज, हमारे घर पे होते हैं ना ऐसे छोटे छोटे एलईडी बल्ब्स. व्हेन यू गो टू
Yes,
परचेस दिस बल्ब्स, इवन द पर्सन आस्क कितने वोल्ट का चाहिए आपको, कि आपको 5 वोल्ट का चाहिए, 6 वोल्ट का चाहिए, 9 वोल्ट का चाहिए. इफ यू टेक 5 वोल्ट्स तो थोड़ा सा डिम वो ऐसे ब्राइट होगा. आई मीन इट विल नॉट ग्लो अप अ लॉट. इफ यू टेक 9 वोल्ट्स वाला इट विल ग्लो अप अ लॉट, बट द वोल्टेज दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इज मोर, इसलिए आपका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का बिल भी ज्यादा आएगा. So it depends on the capacity of the bulb, which is nothing else but the potential that the bulb has. Okay, very good, good example. Next, do you have any other example? Okay, no other examples. ठीक है. Let us see the next concept, that was resistance. Tell me the examples of resistance quickly. We have to start today's
fight
concept.
between siblings.
Wings of plane.
Fight between siblings.
First was the terrorist one that we took about terrorists and
Terrorists.
villagers.
Villagers.
Yes. Next one was
Ma'am, fight between siblings.
yes, siblings when parents come in between and try to resolve the fight. Siblings and parents. Yes.
Oh, the
Switch. Sorry.
switch.
Switch.
Dam.
Ma'am, Great Wall of China.
Ma'am.
Yes. Great Wall of China is another example.
Dam.
Wings of plane.
Yes. Dam and wings of plane. Excellent. Dam walls can be said as resistance.
Ma'am, kite.
Kite. Yes. Excellent. Kite और यहाँ पे wings एक साथ लिख देती हूँ. Wings of aeroplane.
Ma'am.
Tap.
Ozone
Yes.
layer.
The
Tap.
cork of the tap. Next.
Ozone layer.
Ozone layer, yes. Completely. और कुछ है? Anything that protects or becomes a hurdle in between is a resistance. Have you seen आपके स्कूल में जब स्पोर्ट्स का डे होता है, स्पोर्ट्स डे competition, so there is this competition called hurdle match or something like that. तो उसके अंदर क्या होता है, ऐसे hurdles लगाते हैं बीच बीच में, आपका जो ये रनिंग ट्रैक होता है ना, तो you have a different type of hurdles in between. आपको क्या करना होता है, you have to run from these hurdles. इसके ऊपर से आपको छलांग मारनी होती है. There is this competition that used to happen in our school. I don't know it happens now or not, but this is also a kind of resistor. This kind of hurdle is also an example of resistor. ठीक है?
Ma'am, speed breaker.
Speed breaker, yes, exactly. Speed breaker.
Ma'am, bandages.
Bandages. How can bandages be resistance? Can you explain?
Ma'am, also the bandages and some medicines when we get hurt, we use them to stop the blood.
Okay, to stop the flow of the blood. Yes, very good. Bandages to stop
Ma'am,
flow.
roof of the house, which stops from rain and
Yes.
sunlight.
Good example. Roofs to protect the house. और कुछ?
Ma'am, goggles in the same manner.
Yes, no issues. Goggles are also a good example. और बताइए? और बताओ, और बताओ.
Ma'am, mobile cover, screen guard.
Yes, very good example. अब मैं लिख नहीं सकती, लेकिन आप बताइए. I'm listening to you. Something that is stopping the flow can be a good example of resistance.
Ma'am, umbrella.
Yes, umbrella and roofs are pretty similar. So yes, umbrella can also be another resistance example. Anything else? Be creative, come on.
The tolls on the way.
Yes, very good, very good. Tolls. I was expecting this answer. Tolls. Now that they have started the FASTag thing, उसके वजह से तो रुकना नहीं पड़ेगा. But earlier when you had to wait for the tolls, yes, it can be an example of resistance. Another example?
Signal.
Signal, yes. Toll and signal are pretty similar. ठीक है, no problem. और बताइए? Okay. This
Ma'am,
is
water.
yes, yes. One by one, please.
Tap of water.
Yeah, we wrote the tap, no? Cork of the tap. We've written it over here. Somebody else was saying something? No. Okay. Okay. Then we saw resistance examples. Next, what was the topic that we saw yesterday?
Conductor and insulators.
Yes, conductors and insulators. What are mean by conductors?
Which have
Objects having low
Good
resistance.
medium
Low
of
resistance.
flow of electricity.
Good medium.
Insulator
right.
has high resistance.
Resistance.
High resistance and low resistance. Very good. What is the second point in conductors?
Good conductor of electricity.
Medium
Good
of
medium for the
electricity.
flow of
Bad
electricity.
Bad medium.
Good
We can
medium.
instead of medium, we can add the scientific term called as conductors only.
Conductor.
So the conductors are good conductors of electricity, and the insulators are bad conductors of electricity. Okay. Another example that another property that I would like to add here is the one we saw earlier, that is malleability. What does mean by malleability?
Turn a metal into a sheet.
To turn
Yes,
a
very
metal
good.
into a sheet.
Yes, metal into sheets.
Sheet.
And another property that we saw was ductility.
To turn a metal into a wire.
metal into
Very good. Metal into wires.
Wires.
So a conductor has both of these properties, but an insulator does not have these properties. You can add these properties in your notebook if you have written. ठीक है. Next, examples. What are the examples of conductors?
Metals like gold, silver, copper, human.
Yes.
Human body.
Human
Yes,
body,
gold,
water,
silver, copper, human body,
water,
water. इनको छोड़ के और examples है आपके पास that are good conductors? Try to think.
Aluminium.
Yes, aluminium is a conductor, but वो बहुत अच्छा conductor भी नहीं है और बहुत अच्छा insulator भी नहीं है. So it is like a medium thing. दोनों के बीच में आ सकता है. But yes, sometimes conductor it is used as conductor. Sorry. Graphite. Very good.
Graphite.
Ma'am, trees.
Sorry.
Alloy.
Alloy. Depends on which alloy it is. Yes, somebody saying something?
Ma'am, trees.
Trees. Trees I'm doubtful about. Check कर लेंगे एक बार. Yes, anything else? Can anybody elaborate why graphite is a good conductor? Students from 9 or 10. Mercury. Yes, mercury is a metal. So सारे metals जो भी है all are conductors.
Graphite is good conductor because it contains carbon.
Yeah, but even diamond has carbon. So is diamond a good conductor?
No.
Then why graphite is good conductor?
Graphite has free electrons in there.
Very good. Free electrons. Just because graphite क्या होता है? Graphite का structure क्या आपको पता है? It looks like this. Hexagon जैसे दिखता है.
hexagonal shape.
Yes, hexagonal shape. So it has a lot of hexagons attached, and even here there is another layer. What is the layer of graphite? First layer, a single layer of graphite called as?
Graphene.
Graphene. Very good. A layer of graphite. Graphite कहाँ होता है? क्या आपने कभी graphite देखा है?
पेंसिल की लीड.
Yes, लीड पेंसिल्स जो होती है ना आपके, या फिर नॉर्मल पेंसिल्स. पेंसिल में जो ऊपर का होता है ये ग्रे कलर का, दैट इज नॉट लीड. जिसको लीड नहीं बोलना चाहिए, उसको एक्चुअली लेड बोलते हैं. लेड. ओके, दैट इज नॉट मेड अप ऑफ लेड, दैट इज एक्चुअली मेड अप ऑफ ग्रेफाइट. ठीक है. There's some misunderstanding that people understand वो जो lead होता है ऊपर का वो lead का बना होता है, but no, it is called as a lead, but it is made up of graphite. ठीक है. Once what happened, मैं एक बहुत funny incident बताती हूँ, but I hope you don't try it. So this graphite जो होता है ना, it has a property. मतलब अगर आपने lead pencil की lead निकाली और उसको अगर ऐसे पूरा powder बना दिया, तो what happens? That is very slippery. उसके ऊपर से कोई भी slip हो सकता है. तो हमारे क्लास में क्या किया था एक बार बच्चों ने, all of them took out all the leads from the lead pencils and made powder out of it and just put it at the door, जहाँ पे entrance होता है ना क्लास का, तो वहाँ पे डाल दिया. And there was this monitor of our class who was just going to enter the class, and oh my god, that student fell so badly. Why? Because this graphite had the property of being slippery. This was actually the application of what students had studied in the class. I hope you guys don't try it, but उससे प्रूव होता है कि जो हम सीखते हैं वो बच्चे कभी कभी अप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं, एंड दैट कैन बी फेटल, दैट कैन बी हार्मफुल टू अदर पीपल. सो वी मस्ट नॉट ट्राई सच थिंग्स, बट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सच थिंग्स. ठीक है. नॉट ओनली दीज ग्रेफाइट्स आर स्लिपरी बट ऑल्सो आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं ना, these are mobile. Mobile matlab they can move from one place to another place. Just because they can move from one place to another place, they can conduct electricity through the flow of these electrons. Therefore, graphite is a good conductor of electricity, and diamond being a carbon compound, हम सीखेंगे वो next like 10th standard में, but graphite is a good conductor and diamond is not a good conductor of electricity. ठीक है. Okay. Tell me examples of insulator now.
paper,
Wood.
wood,
Paper,
rubber,
wood,
plastic,
clay or
Plastic,
rubber.
rubber.
Plastic,
Okay,
rubber.
just a moment. Paper, wood, plastic. Yes, rubber,
Glass.
glass. Yes,
all things which are
Diamond.
waste material.
waste material. Okay, should be of these material only.
Yes.
Next, कुछ भी यार जो conduct नहीं करता है electricity. Those are all are like insulators. For example, clothes.
Cotton.
Even cloth
Cotton.
is an example of
हाँ.
bad conductor of electricity. Hello, am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
telling some other examples? यहाँ पे थोड़ा network issue था. Is this enough या फिर आपके पास कुछ और examples हैं? Okay, no examples. ठीक है. इसके बाद हमने क्या पढ़ा? After this,
Symbols.
symbols. Yes.
Ohm's law.
What symbols did we saw? First वाला कौन सा था? About the cell.
Bulb.
Yes. Cell को ऐसे draw करते हैं. The one which is bigger is the positive side. The one which is smaller is called as the negative side. आपने देखा होगा जब आप रिमोट के अंदर सेल लगाते हो तब एक साइड पे ऐसे पॉजिटिव होता है, एक साइड पे नेगेटिव होता है. तो आपको उल्टा सेल लगाना पड़ता है. जहाँ पे पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल है वहां पे आप नेगेटिव को लगाते हो और नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव के पास. So that the attraction of these charges will happen. We'll see in the upcoming sessions. ठीक है. The cell is the representation of this. Second, we saw battery. Battery क्या होता है? Basically, combination of cells. जब आप एक से ज्यादा cells लगाते हो, that is called as a battery. स्कूल में चिढ़ाते हो क्या आप किसी को? बैटरी नहीं चिढ़ाते? बहुत सज्जन बच्चे हो यार, होना भी चाहिए. Okay. Third one.
Switch.
Switch. Very good. Switch can
Open
be
switch
shown
and
by
close switch.
yes. An off switch या फिर closed sorry off
Close
switch
switch.
means an open switch.
Close switch and open switch.
Off switch मतलब open switch दिखा सकते हैं आप एक तो ऐसे नहीं तो with brackets, and an on switch which is a closed switch मतलब क्या circuit close है वो आप दिखा सकते हो normal when the slit is closed, and with the brackets you can show it with a dot. Yes, the fourth one.
Joint wire.
A wire joint.
Yes, wire joint instead of a joint wire. Yes, you can show it. जब क्रॉसिंग होती है तो एक डॉट दिखा के आप दिखा सकते हो that there is a wire joint. Fifth one.
Wire crossing without joining.
Yes, wire crossing without joining. Joining, okay, that can be shown in this form. Next.
Electric bulb.
Bulb, okay, electric bulb. वो एक तो क्रॉस से भी दिखा सकता है या फिर you can show it in this form. ऐसे भी दिखा सकते हैं. Next.
Resistor of
Resistance.
resistance.
Resistor is a device that shows resistance, is shown in the form of this way. Yes, next.
Ampere.
Ammeter.
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 What is ammeter?
It is to measure used to measure current.
Device to
Device.
measure electric current.
Yes, a device that measures electric current is called as an ammeter. It can be simply shown by a circle and an A inside it, or plus and minus. ठीक है, next.
Voltmeter.
Voltmeter. What is a voltmeter?
Measure voltage.
Very good.
A device to measure a voltage.
Voltage and potential similar, दोनों same ही है. Okay, next.
Galvanometer.
Galvanometer. Actually galvanometer ऐसा एक बंदा है ना जो दोनों काम करता है. एमीटर मतलब करंट भी चेक कर सकता है, वोल्ट मीटर जैसे वोल्टेज भी चेक कर सकता है. So this is like a multi-purpose meter that checks both of them. Depends on how you use it. ठीक है? So it is drawn like this. Yes. Next. बस इतना ही है.
Variable resistance.
Oh, variable resistance is like you do not have it right now, so let's not get into it. But yes, great that you remembered. और कुछ बाकी है या इतना ही है?
Wires crossing without joining.
हाँ वो तो हो गया. Wires crossing here. ठीक है. Next, इसके बाद हमने क्या देखा?
Ohm's law.
Ohm's law. Very good. What is the Ohm's law state?
V is equal to IR.
V is equals to IR. What is the proportionality? Which two are directly proportional and which two are inversely proportional?
V and I are directly proportional and I are inversely proportional.
है ना? Like if you want to say directly proportional, this is the way of writing directly proportional. V is directly proportional to I. It shows directly proportionality. I is inversely proportional to R, that is resistance. It shows inverse proportion. ठीक है? इन दोनों को combine करके लिखना होगा तो हम लिखेंगे V equals to IR. Okay, what was the song that I told you yesterday?
Twinkle,
Very good. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. V is equals to IR. Very good. Easy to remember. Okay. Now today what we are going to do is we are going to solve some questions related to Ohm's law. उसके पहले हम देखेंगे what is a charge. Does anybody know what is an electric charge? क्या होता है? You know already, but I think you do not know what it exactly means. ठीक है? You know what is a magnet, right? आपने कभी magnet देखा है आपके life में?
Yes, ma'am.
How many poles does a magnet have?
South pole and north.
South pole and north pole?
Pole and south pole.
Yes, there's this north pole and there's this south pole. There are two poles to every magnet. और different types के magnets होते हैं क्या? या फिर एक ही type का magnet होता है?
Yes.
What are the different types of magnets that you've seen?
Horseshoe magnet.
Very good. Horseshoe magnet कौन से shape में होता है? It is into a U shape. As you go further in your classes, like 10th standard में आपको ये horseshoe magnet के बारे में और जानकारी मिलेगी. Okay, this is like आपने कभी इसमें भी देखा होगा cartoons में like Nobita and all of that. They used to use this horseshoe magnet. Do you remember? कभी देखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
कौन से cartoon में देखा है?
Augie and the cockroaches.
Augie, okay. Augie is quite naughty, huh? Okay. So let us start with an electric charge. तो electric charge क्या होता है? जैसे हर एक magnet को north and south poles होते हैं, वैसे ही if you bring a north pole towards this north pole, will it attract or repel?
Repel.
It will repel.
Why will it repel?
Because they are same.
Same pole.
Because you bring similar poles towards each other, these two poles are going to repel because similar poles do not attract, similar poles repel. If I bring a south pole near the north magnet, it will attract. Why will it attract? Because these are dissimilar,
Different
unsimilar poles.
Ma'am, opposite attracts.
Yes. So what we get to the conclusion is opposite poles attract and the similar poles
repel.
Similar poles repel. Very good. You can even observe it at your home. अगर if you are a daughter, तो आपका और आपके पापा का ज़्यादा जमेगा. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
if you have
ma'am.
if you have a brother या फिर elder brother या cousin anybody, उनका उनके मम्मी के साथ ज़्यादा बनता है,
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
Yes,
Usually
ma'am.
हमारा why is it so? Because it is the same policy of science, same law है. Opposite poles attract मतलब opposite जो भी होते हैं, they are going to attract always. And जो similar होते हैं, usually in most of the cases they do repel. ठीक है? This is observed in every aspect of life just because there is a science behind it. ठीक है? Using this same concept, we are going to see two charges. There are two types of charges. The first one is the positive charge and the second one is the, you must have guessed by now, that is negative charge. ठीक है, इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज कहाँ पे होता है? प्रोटॉन के अंदर, that we already know, and the negative charge is into
Electron.
very good. Now this positive charge can be shown by Q plus and this negative charge can be shown by Q minus, and this electric charge is represented by capital Q. ठीक है, now if I say मेरे पास positive charge है 5, Q is equals to 5, but I want to give a unit to it. जैसे हम लिखते हैं length is equals to 5 centimeter या फिर 5 kilometer, वैसे ही when we measure the charge Q equals to 5, there has to be a charge उसके सामने. Can you guess what is the charge unit? Anybody?
Volt.
No, volt is for potential dear. Volt नहीं हो सकता.
Ampere.
नहीं, एम्पियर तो करंट के लिए होता है. What else?
मैम ओहम.
Coulomb.
Yes.
कोलम.
ओहम तो रेजिस्टेंस के लिए होता है. कूलम, कूलम इज द unit that we use for charge. Coulomb is determined by capital C. ठीक है, so we can say it as Q is equals to 5C. Now just because it is a positive charge, you have to write a positive sign here. If it is a negative charge, you have to write it as Q equals to minus 5C. इतना clear है? Yes. But let us write the definition of electric charge. ठीक है, what is an electric charge? Electric charge is the physical property of matter that causes to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. अभी electromagnetic field क्या होता है यार? जब magnet होता है ना कोई भी, for example let us take a horseshoe magnet, उसको अगर हम किसी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के वायर के पास रख दे, उसके अंदर या फिर उसके पास, तो क्या होगा? There is electricity also and there is a magnet also. So the field that is going to be created around it is going to be electromagnetic field. This is, let's not get into the depth, but you just have to understand what does it mean. Just because there is electricity present, it is electro, and just because the magnet is present, it is magnetic. Electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic field के अंदर जो कोई भी charges होते हैं, these charges are nothing but the positive charge and the negative charge. इतना डेप्थ में नहीं जाते, just remember there are two types of charges, that is positive charge and the negative charge. The electric charge is determined by a capital Q and the unit is coulomb. Coulomb क्यों? क्योंकि साइंटिस्ट का नाम था कूलम. As simple as that. वोल्ट भी साइंटिस्ट का नाम था, एम्पियर भी था, ओम भी था और कूलम्ब भी है. Is this much clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Will you please repeat the definition of electric charge?
Yeah, I'll write it down for you. You can write it. Electric charge is a physical property of matter that causes it to experience force when placed in an electromagnetic field. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको ये सिंपल करने के लिए बताती हूँ. अगर आप कभी व्हाट डू वी से मेले में गए हो, फेयर, फन फेयर में गए हो कभी? हाँ, तो वहाँ पे क्या होता है, इतनी ज्यादा भीड़ होती है. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर आर शॉप्स अराउंड हियर एंड हियर इज द टेम्पल, लेट अस टेक एन एग्जाम्पल. और यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे शॉप्स है लाइंड अप. ठीक है, देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल अराउंड हियर कि आप अगर चल नहीं पाते तो लोगों के चलने की स्पीड के वजह से आप अपने आप हिल जाओगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस ऑल्सो हैपन्स इन मुंबई. इफ यू हैव गॉन टू मुंबई, जब आपको लोकल पकड़नी होती है तब इतनी ज्यादा भीड़ होती है कि आप अगर एक जगह पे खड़े हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली लोगों के धक्के से आप आगे चले जाओगे. So when you are the person who is not moving into a place जिसके आजू बाजू में there is a electromagnetic field, अगर आपके आजू बाजू में जो surrounding है that is completely filled with something. Now that field, let us take an example of electromagnetic field and you are the charge. अभी ये डेफिनेशन पढ़ के देखते हैं. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज अ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी. आप फिजिकल एक प्रॉपर्टी हो ऐसे समझ लो ऑफ मैटर दैट कॉजेस इट टू एक्सपीरियंस अ फोर्स. अगर आप चलते नहीं हो तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो है आजू बाजू में इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फील्ड, उसके वजह से आपको क्या मिलता है? फोर्स मिलता है. यू डिस्प्लेस फ्रॉम योर ओन प्लेस. दैट इज नथिंग बट दिस सिंगल प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड एज अ चार्ज. दैट कैन बी ऑफ टू टाइप्स, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. इतना क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. And what is the unit for the charge?
Coulomb.
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 Okay. Let us see another formula for charge. Okay. That's the formula, that is Q equals to IT. I is here the current. T is the time. ठीक है. अगर इसको थोड़ा सा रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं अलग फॉर्म में, दैट इज इक्वल्स टू Q अपॉन T इज इक्वल्स टू I. मतलब ये क्या हमें बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि अगर चार्ज है कोई, ठीक है, एक वायर के अंदर एक चार्ज है, इन 2 seconds हाउ मेनी चार्जेस पासेस फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया. कितने सारे चार्जेस यहाँ से जा रहे हैं? दैट इज नथिंग बट द करंट. द चार्जेस passing in a unit time for here example is 2 seconds. If there are 5, let us take example of 6. If there are 6 charges passing from this cross sectional area in the unit of 2 seconds, what is the current? 3 ampere. Are you getting it? थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ रहा है आपको?
Yes.
ओके. व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द एग्जांपल्स में आपको और क्लियरली समझ में आएगा. बस ये वाला फॉर्मूला लिख लीजिए. द चार्ज इज इक्वल्स टू करंट इनटू टाइम. ठीक है. चार्ज दैट इज कैपिटल Q इज इक्वल्स टू करंट इनटू टाइम. इतना क्लियर है सबको?
Yes.
Okay, okay. The first question that I'm going to ask is, what is the SI unit of current? हमारे क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट हो गए हैं. What is the SI unit of current?
Volt. Ampere.
एम्पियर. एम्पियर का शॉर्ट फॉर्म कैसे लिखते हैं?
AMPE or A.
और A. Very good. What is the SI unit of potential, electric potential? Volts. बैटरी होती है ना वोल्ट्स में, so you can remember the potential is in the form of volts, not the current is into the form of volts. Current is into the form of ampere, potential is into the form of volts. Volts का short form?
V.
Yes. Next, resistance का ऐसा यूनिट बताइए.
Ohm.
Ohm. Very good. What is the symbol for ohms?
Oh.
No. There's a name for something I had even told. Yes, omega. This symbol is called as omega. मैंने ये भी बताया था कि ओमेगा नाम का एक होटल है दुबई में, so you can remember it like that. It is a very posh hotel in Dubai. ठीक है. Next. Okay. What is the instrument used to measure the electric current?
Voltmeter.
No.
Ammeter.
Ammeter, of course, because the unit is ampere, no? So the meter, the instrument can also be named similar, that is ammeter. Next, the instrument used to measure the potential.
Voltmeter.
Very good. Voltmeter. And the instrument used to measure both of them?
Galvanometer.
Very good. Current as well as potential, that is galvanometer. What is the instrument used to measure the resistance? Yes.
Resistor.
Very good. Resistor. Resistor is not used to measure the resistance. Actually, it creates the resistance. वो measure नहीं करता है, create करता है. ठीक है? Okay. Then what is the formula for Ohm's law?
V equals to I.
V is equal to IR.
V is equal to IR.
Very good. Okay. Now let us see.
IR.
Yes, very good. Let us see our first example. That is the amount of a charge passing through a cell. एक सेल है, उसके अंदर जितना भी चार्ज जा रहा है Q, that is equals to 12 coulomb. ठीक है? You have to find out the current in time given is 4 seconds. Can you find out what is the current?
3 ampere.
क्या आप निकाल सकते हो फॉर्मूला से?
3 ampere.
3 ampere.
What is the formula required right now?
Q
Current.
Q upon T is equal to I.
Equals to IT.
Yes, Q is equals to IT. हमको I निकालना है तो T को इसके नीचे डालेंगे. Q upon T is equals to I. Can you find out the answer?
3 amp.
3 amps. Very good. So Q is 12 and the time is 4. These two are in the SI units, इसलिए convert नहीं करेंगे. Is equals to I. So 4 3s are 12. Therefore, I is equals to 3 amperes. Easy. ठीक है. Next question. If I is equals to 10 and V is equals to 20, can you find out the R? Which law will be used over here?
V is equal to
Ohm's
I.
law.
Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Yes, very good. Tell me the answer.
10 ohm.
V equals
Okay, let us find out R is equals to V upon I. Therefore, 20 upon 10, that is 2. 2 ohms. Answer is 2 ohms. जल्दी मत करो, बस right answer लाओ. ठीक है? Next question. That is R is equals to 10. I is equals to 5. You have to find out V. Very simple.
250. 50.
50 or 2?
50.
V is equals to IR. So V ढूंढना है. I is 5, R is 10. So V is equals to 50. आगे यूनिट क्या होगा?
Voltmeter. V.
Volts, not meter. It's just volts. Okay, let us see another one. That is V is equals to 20 and R is equals to 2. You have to find out I.
10. 10.
10. Okay, let us check out. V equals to IR. V upon R equals to I. V is 20. This is 2. Therefore, I is equals to 10 amps. ठीक है. Let us see another one. Fifth one. Q is equals to 6. T is equals to 3. R is equals to 10. And you have to find out V.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show fourth one?
Yeah. Done?
One.
Let me know once it's done.
Ma'am.
Okay. Fifth one. इसको solve करिए और इसके बाद हम एक last question करेंगे. Then we'll start with the Vedic maths.
Ma'am, 20 volt.
We do not know the answer. Let us
20.
check it out. Okay. सबसे पहले आपको क्या चाहिए? I लगेगा. Just because V equals to IR. ये formula use करने के लिए. You have the R. You don't have the I. Okay. First we'll find out I with the help of Q and T. We know Q is equals to IT. Okay. So I ढूंढने के लिए Q upon T is equals to I. Q is 6, T is 3. So I is equals to 2 amps. Okay. Now we'll find out V. V is equals to I into R. So I is 2 and R is 10. Yes, V is equals to 20 volts.
20
Very good.
volt.
It is the right answer. Write it quickly and we'll do the last one. Shashank, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, we are doing the last one, then you can start. होने के बाद बता दीजिए. We'll do the last one.
Done.
Okay. Is anybody left?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Last one. There's a current of 0.75 ampere. ठीक है? It is drawn by a filament. क्या आपको filament पता है क्या होती है? Filament of a bulb. वो ऐसी वायर होती है, देखिए. Like if you have seen the bulb, उसके अंदर ऐसी एक वायर होती है.
Like a spring.
Yes. Do you know what metal is it made up of? वो कौन से metal की बनती है पता है आपको?
Copper.
No. No. सोचिए सोचिए.
Zinc.
No, not zinc.
Steel.
No. It is made up of tungsten. Why is it made up of tungsten? Because जब हम electricity provide करते हैं इस bulb को and when it glows, this wire is the only one which becomes the most and most warm. मतलब पूरी इतनी गर्म हो जाती है कि वो जल भी सकती है. So if we use copper, iron, zinc, steel, so क्या होगा, वो बहुत जल्दी गर्म हो जाएगी. But tungsten एक ऐसा metal है जो बहुत जल्दी गर्म नहीं होता. इसका I guess melting, इसका boiling point ही around 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. तो ये बल्ब का टेम्परेचर इतना तो नहीं बढ़ने वाला कि वो 1000 डिग्री सेल्सियस पहुंच जाए, है ना. इट इट गोज अंटिल 500 और मैक्स 550. इसके ऊपर जा ही नहीं सकता. सो देर आर अ लॉट ऑफ लेस केसेस जहाँ पे ये बल्ब की जो वायर है अंदर से जल जाए और पूरा ब्लास्ट हो जाए. ऐसे बहुत कम केसेस होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी यूज द मेटल कॉल्ड एज टंगस्टन विच इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय अ W. यू कैन चेक इन योर पीरियोडिक टेबल, आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके. दिस इज अ 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन जो आपको बोर्ड्स में भी पूछते हैं. सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर इट. ठीक है. सो फिलामेंट ऑफ द बल्ब फॉर 5 minutes. You have to find out the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. What is the electric charge? I'll give you 2 minutes. Try to solve it, then we'll solve it. Make sure you change this time into SI units. Sorry? Can you repeat? पहले बताइए, what is the current? How much is the current given into the question?
0.7.
Very good. What is the time given?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. If we convert it into seconds, तो क्या करेंगे इसको?
5 into 60.
Very good. What is 5 into 60?
300.
300.
300
Yes.
seconds.
If you have to find out Q, what formula will you use?
Q is equals to I.
Very good. Q is equals to IT. Now can you find out the answer using I and T?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me the answer.
225.
2
Very
to
good.
5.
2 to 5 is
2
the
to
correct
5.
answer. Yes. What we have done, I is 0.75 and T that is 300. तो इसको multiply करेंगे. So 0.75 into 300, if you do it on your calculator, आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा 225. What will be the unit? Yes? Coulombs. Very good. Capital C. Okay, किसको इसमें doubt? Anybody who has not understood?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.